Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to send an aliens invite in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send an aliens invite in Dark War Survival. So first of all, make sure you're an R4 officer or R5 leader. Regular members cannot send of course, alliance invites. Then find the player you want to invite. So the player needs to give you the ID. Go to the top left corner. Here you can of course go to account, and he here needs to find his ID so that he can of course go and give you that. So you can find a player. On the world map, tap their shelter, then go to details. In the bottom right corner, we have the world map here, which you can of course go and open. And then of course, when you open the world map, there you can of course go and that's where you can of course go and find that and click on details. If the player is not already in an alliance, tap send alliance invite. If the player is already in another alliance, they must leave their current alliance before you can invite them. So if you don't see the send alliance invite button, confirm that you're an R4 or R5 and that the player is out of the alliance where he used to be. So those things can of course drag you to not be able to do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.